Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to make a lechuch. So I will tell you something about it. Lechuch is an yummy dish which can be used for topplings. So now I will tell you the ingredients to how to make it. So the ingredients are flour, salt, semolina and yeast and water also. Then we should mix it all. Flour, yeast, semolina, salt and water. Then we should mix it. So then we should keep it rest for 45 minutes. Then in the pan and it should be in one by one also. So we need to put the batter on and fry it also. Then after frying this batter, we need to keep another batter. But since the lechuch is very big and its batter is also very big, we need to fry it like this. Then flip. Then we have to flip also. Then we should keep another batter. Then we can also expand by doing that. This batter is also done, so you have to keep it in the plate. Now this is the batter. Now the lechuch is now ready.